everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty, delicious Gobi Palak Paratha, cauliflower and spinach paratha. The paratha I'm going to make it with Desi Ghee. I have a video posted on my channel, so please check it out. You can use olive oil or any vegetable oil. Spices to taste, I'll be using from my masala dabba. This is homegrown palak. I washed it and I cut it into small pieces. The most important ingredient to make paratha is dough. The dough is already prepared. Cilantro, dhania, coriander leaves cut into small pieces. Finely chopped ginger, green chili, and this is the carom seed, ajwain. Please try it in paratha. It tastes really well. And then cumin seed. Cauliflower, we're going to grate it, and I will show you how I'm doing it. The cauliflower, the gobi, what I did, I washed it, make sure that it's dried. Then I use the grater, break the florets like this. Then I use the bigger side and just grate it like this. As it grates. So this is how the florets, the gobi, the cauliflower look. Supposingly if you don't have a grater, then you can use a knife, you can finely chop it. So let's start making our delicious gobi paratha. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to add spices and we're going to make a mixture. So I'll be using this much cauliflower. We'll add spices first. Salt. You can use a table salt or any salt, whatever do you have. I'm using pink salt. Garam masala, black pepper, coriander powder, cumin powder, carom seed, ajwain, cumin seed. Mix it well. So once it's nicely combined, now add green chili, ginger, cilantro, dhania. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, add spinach. This is palak. With the help of 2 forks, just mix it well. So once it's nicely combined, this is our mixture. And now we are ready to make gobi paratha. You can use this griddle, we call it tawa, or you can get this type of griddle. But the tip which I wanted to share with you, if you want to enjoy the paratha, then use this griddle. Those griddles are fine, but you're going to enjoy more crispy, more crunchier on this one. So that's the tip I want to share with you. So the first thing we're going to do, so we're going to start burner, then place the griddle. Once the griddle heats up, then we're going to bring the temperature to medium. The stage is set. Lazy Susan, what we call chakla, is ready. Desi ghee is ready. Dry flour is ready. The mixture is ready. And the dough is ready. So get a good amount of dough. So what we call peda. Add some dry flour. And now we're going to put it on a Lazy Susan. And we're going to roll out. Add some dry flour as needed. So you make a same thing like you're making a roti, chapati or tortilla. Just flatten it out and then grab a good amount of your filling. That's the masala which we prepared it earlier. And this is another tip I wanted to share with you. When you're adding a mixture, add some desi ghee or anything, whatever you're using at that moment, vegetable oil, you put it inside the mixture and then we're going to roll it. So just to tuck it like that. Flatten it out with your hand, just like that. So when you roll out, you can roll out any size. You can make it round, rectangular, square, or triangle, whatever the size you like. But what I prefer when it comes to paratha or anything, make a free design. So once we put it on a hand, then we're going to put it on griddle. The paratha is on griddle, then we're going to prepare the second peda. So get a second dough ball, the same process. Round, add dry flour, flatten it, and roll out as thin as possible. Once you roll out, the paratha is ready. Now we're going to add desi ghee. So we're going to first we're going to turn it, flip it, just like that, as you see, in nice beautiful color. And we're going to add desi ghee. You can flip it with the hand, or just like my lady is doing with the spatula, so you don't burn yourself. And as it turned over, we're going to put desi ghee again. I just wanted to show you the process from here so you can see it, everything. And as it smokes out, we're going to turn the fan on and we're going to flip it over. So when you're making a paratha, it's very obvious that you get a lot of smoke. So turn your blower on. So now we are ready for the second one. As it's cooking, that's one of the things I wanted to share a tip with you. Cook on a medium gas. So you have a lot of time on your hand to prepare the second paratha, and also the other one gets really, crunchy. Sure that you tuck it nicely, and look at that, the paratha is nicely done. So once the dry flour is added, then we're going to flatten with the hand. When you're adding a masala, the mixture, this is very good idea to add desi ghee or vegetable oil, whatever you're using it. The whole reason is this way, what happened that when you have a desi ghee inside the mixture, that really gives you a good flavor, and also it cooks well. So you seal it, and then we do the same process. Adding dry flour, and this is the tip I wanted to share with you. When you're pressing with the hand, the whole reason we're doing it, you can flatten out with the rolling pin. But with the hand, you have more control. This way, the air pockets build up inside the paratha. So when you're pressing with the hand, you're basically releasing the air out. So as you see, the second paratha is also done, and we are ready for the third one. You can also use a dry flour like this if you are not comfortable. Just add like this. So as you can see, you can rub it like this. So now it's all ready, and we're going to take this one to the griddle again. And this is how we're going to do it. Now I'll bring the close up. You will see it how we are doing it. As the color will start to change, we're going to flip it over. And now we're going to add desi ghee on this side. You can use your hand just like this, or you can use the spatula. So looking very nice, and now and just turn it. And we're going to make sure that we're going to cook it nicely. Look at that beautiful texture, beautiful color. And we're going to prepare the other one, and if you look at the other two, they are very nicely done. Perfect. This kind of a color consistency, you will achieve it. The one tip I share with you, you add desi ghee inside. And we are on another paratha. Flip it over. Look at this, the color. Very nice, beautiful. So that one is ready, and if we look at this one, it's all ready, and we're going to take it out. And now we're going to bring it, the other paratha, we're going to lay out flat on it. So I'll be keep continuing doing the same way. We're going to, as you see, the color will start to change. We're going to flip it over. And once you flip it, look at the nice texture. And we're going to add Desi ghee. You can do it like this with the spoon, or if you want to use a brush, you can use the brush too. And then we're going to flip it over, add Desi ghee on this side. And we're going to keep continuing doing the same way. I will show you another way of making a paratha. What I wanted to share with you, take 2 peda, and now the pedas will be the smaller size. So what basically we want to do, roll out 1 peda, then the second peda we're going to roll out, and then we're going to add the masala mixture inside. So this is what we need to do. So you can do like this. You make one like this, and the second one we're going to roll out. So once it's rolled out, this is what we need to do. Add masala, the filling, then we're going to add Desi ghee on it. Just like this, and then we're going to get the first one which we rolled out and put it on top of it, and then we're going to seal it from the side. Two things happen when you press it with the hand. The air escapes, and the second thing also it seals. Now you get the rolling pin and just roll out, just like this. So this is another way you can make a paratha too. And now if you look it on this side, the paratha is nicely ready, and that goes into the plate. So now this is the one we're doing differently. So that I wanted to show you, and then we're going to keep continuing doing the rest. So we're going to flip it over. We're going to add Desi ghee. We're going to flip it over. Another tip I wanted to share with you, when you're making a paratha, like after 3-4 parathas, there is a dry flour which you see at the bottom, like this. It gets burned. Get just a paper towel and just clean it. And now we're going to flip it over, and now we're going to cook it the same process, and we're going to prepare the similar way. So that's the other tip I wanted to share with you. What's going to happen if you don't clean it? It's okay, but what happens is that anytime the dry flour burns and it sticks to the paratha, and then the paratha will get a texture like a burn or also bitter taste. If you haven't tried adding Desi ghee inside the paratha, please try it. You're going to like it. So we're going to flip this one over again one more time, and look at this. At the end, I will share with you the both parathas. Both are okay, but whatever the easier for you, so you can do it. This one is almost done, and we're going to take it out. You just clean it like this. This way your griddle stays clean. Use a paper towel. And now we are ready. So you've seen it. We're going to keep continuing making the paratha a similar way, and that's how it's easy and simple you make it. I'm going to share with you. We're going to keep continuing doing the paratha similar way, and I'll share with you how delicious Gobi Palak Paratha. Gobi Palak Paratha, cauliflower spinach paratha is all ready, and you've seen it. I share some tips with you how you can make it delicious and tasty paratha. So please try it and share your comment below how it turned out for you. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Please serve your Gobi paratha with homemade dahi. I have a video posted on my channel, so please check it out. This is what I wanted to share with you. This is the second way of doing it. Think when you open it, look at this. Nice, smoky. The tip I share with you when you add desi ghee inside the mixture. And this is the perfect paratha. And this is the second way of doing it. And look at this. Most common and simplest way we make paratha. So when you eat it, try with homemade dahi like this. So good. Please try it. And if you like this one, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.